In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up videos on your iPhone. Now, in order to do this, we need to head over to the App Store on your phone. And then using the search box, we first need to install and download an application called CapCut. Now, this is a free video editing application that you can use to edit your videos and speed up your clips. So once you've downloaded this, you can simply press open. Once you've opened CapCut, click on New Project, and then just select the video that you want to speed up. Once you have your video selected, press the Add button, then select your video in the timeline and click on Speed. Then click on Normal, and then from here, you can adjust the slider to the right-hand side to speed up the clip. So you can see as I'm moving this towards the right, it's actually reducing the overall clip duration. So once you're happy, click on the tick icon to save those changes. And now if I play this video back, you can see the clip is a lot faster than the original. Once you've finished speeding up your clip, click on Export in the top right-hand side, and that will automatically save over to the camera roll on your phone. And as you can see, we now have this sped up clip. So that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.